कृष्णव्रता कृष्णमनुस्मरन्तः रात्रौ च कृष्णं पुनरुत्थिताः ते कृष्णदेहा प्रविशन्ति कृष्णम् आज्यं यथा मन्त्रहुतं हुताशे बुद्धिर्बलं यशो धैर्यं निर्भयत्मरोगता अजाढ्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्. Now is the time when my master is going to marry Mother Rukmini. This is where the history of Rukmini starts. Raja Sid Bhishmako Nama Vidarbhadipatir Mahan Tasya Panchabhavan Putra Kanyaika Chavaranana Rukmyagrajo Rukmaratho Rukmabahur Anantaraha Rukmakesho Rukmamali Rukmin Yesham Swasasati. There was a king called Bhishmaka in Vidarbha. Vidarbha means one place where people have transcended the body, they're spiritual. In that Vidarbha Desha, there was a Bhishmaka king. He had 5 sons and 1 good daughter. What does it mean? Sons were bad. Obviously. Not 6 good children, but 5 sons and 1 good daughter. What are the names of the son? Rukmi, Rukmaratha, Rukmabahu, Rukmakesha, Rukmamali. And what is the sister's name? Rukmini. She had a golden complexion. Beautiful she was. She used to go to her father's darbar and wait there, not to learn politics. She wanted to know about Krishna. So, Pashrutya Mukundasya Rupa Virya Gunashriyaha Grihagatai Geyamanam Tammene Sadrisham Patim. She used to go to her father's court. So, Pashrutya Mukundasya Rupa Virya Gunashriyaha. When the Jivatma or the Lakshmi Swarupa thinks of the Lord also thinks about us. You say, I thought of Venkateshwara, don't worry, he thought of you also. He called you. And how did he remember her? Tam Buddhi Lakshana Audarya Rupa Virya Rupa Sheela Gunashrayam Krishnacha Sadrishim Bharyam Samudvodhum Manodade. He also wanted to marry her, but. The path of devotion, the path of love always have obstacles. Something must go wrong. Otherwise the movie can't move on. No? Something must go wrong. Everything has to go wrong. There was a brother called Rukmi. Rukmi said, my sister will marry my friend. And who is that friend? Shishupala. What is his qualification? Sarvadosha Sampanna Sarvaguna Rahita. All the virtues he lacked, all the vices he imbibed. What is his qualification? He drinks with me every evening. So he has to marry my sister, that's all. All marriage preparations are on because Rukmi has taken over. The father is old. Bhishmaka has no say in the matter. Mother Rukmini is nervous. She calls a Brahmin. Panditji, in the Bhagavatam, the name of the Brahmin is not given because they say it is Shukadeva himself. Shukadeva did not want the credit for himself, so he said one Brahmin is called, some Brahmin. Some Brahmin she calls and sends him. When a special messenger comes to your house, please don't send him away from the gate. If it is winter, give him coffee. If it is summer, give him buttermilk. Don't say bye-bye. Please give the cover and go. Krishna offers him hospitality and then makes him sit down comfortably and says, what can I do for you? As if he doesn't know why he has come. Swami, Mother Rukmini is head over heels in love with you. And she wants you to come over to marry her. Some people say Mother Rukmini wrote the message. Some people say it was an oral message. Let's not quarrel. What matters is 7 shlokas are sent by Mother Rukmini to Krishna. Mother Rukmini is writing or sending a message to the Lord. I think in the world, it's only the man who comes and tells the woman, you are lovely, I love you, will you marry me? But then in 1950s, there was a man called Bernard Shaw who said men are stupid. I hope you don't mind. Men are stupid and they'll take a long time to say, I love you, will you marry me? So let the ladies say, will you marry me? He said exactly what I want to tell you. Here is Mother saying, Krishna, I am abashed. I should not have proposed to you, but there's no other way. Already the Janvasam Bharat has started and Shishupala is already dressed like a bridegroom. He is coming. Shrutva gunan bhuvana sundara shinvatamte निर्विश्यकर्णविवरै हरतुङ्गतापं रूपं दृश्यां दृशिमताम् अखिलार्थलाभं त्वयि अच्युता आविशति चित्तम् अपत्रपं मे चित्तम् अपत्रपं मे. We devotees, if we read these 7 shlokas, will have extreme bhakti for the Lord. Extreme bhakti for the Lord. There's no doubt about it. Such lovely verses. Have you seen me? Rukmani, have you seen me? No, Master. Shrutva. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atmanivedanam. Our first introduction to the Lord is an auditory introduction. Having heard about Govinda, we have come here. Having heard about Srinivasa, we have come here. Having heard about Guru Ayappa, through Bhattadri, we go to Guruvayur. Having heard about Bhagya Bihari, we go to Vrindavan. So, here. And what have I heard? Shrutva Gunan. What do you want in a man? You want guna. You want a man of sterling character. When the Ramayana starts, it opens long before management schools were in search of excellence. Here was the Ramayana exploring who is the ideal man. Konvasmin sampratam loke gunavan kascha viryavan dharmajnascha kritajnascha satyavakyo dridhavrataha. I want to know a man with 16 qualities, said the great Valmiki. My master Dikshit used to say, I'm sure Naraji would have said, 16 people don't have one quality. How can one man have 16 qualities? Only Sri Ramachandra Prabhu can have all the qualities. Sri Rama can have all the qualities. So guna is important. It is the character of the Lord that she is enamored about. Beauty comes and goes, wealth comes and goes, but character remains forever. Please remember, it is character that a woman loves. What a woman loves is her husband's sterling character. Shrutva gunan. Lord is naughty, you know. He'll say, suppose I turn out to be ugly, like the Indian movie, you know. You've not seen the husband, suddenly in the Kalyana Mandapam, he's one dirty looking fellow. No, you are Sundara, you are Vanasundara, you are Bhuvana Sundara. You are handsome in mufti and uniform. That is what you are, Master. Bhuvana Sundara, Shanvatamte. I heard about your greatness and your guna, and these great histories have percolated into my heart, and they have removed the Angatapa, Haratongatapam. I must confess to you in humility, there was a very famous doctor in Madras called Rangabhashyam. His wife used to come for my katha always. One day he came, and the second day also he came, and after the katha he says, ma'am, you cure without tablets. I said, what is it, doctor? She said, I am a hypertension patient, and past 2 days I find my BP is normal because of your katha. I said, thank you, doctor, thank you. Not my katha, Haratongatapam. His katha removes the Angatapa. Angatapa is BP, no? What else? When you are tense, the BP goes up, no? The Lord's katha makes you calm, makes you cool. Haratongatapam. What does this do? Nirvishvakarnavivarai haratongatapam. All of us with great difficulty get a darshan of Tirupati Venkatramana. And as you are watching him, not even Veena Venkatesham you can chant. Not even Krishnaya Vasudeva you can chant. And you wanted to ask him so many things. But between those two Jargandis, what can you ask him? You come off. You come off and you say, I did not ask anything. By the time you reach your hometown, your desires have been fulfilled, my dear listeners. Your desires are fulfilled. Why? Because that beauty is a boon-granting beauty. Varapradayaka sundarta. Rupam drisham drishimatam akhilarthalabham. You don't have to ask him. The politician wins his election. The film actress gets her Filmfare Award. The childless couple gets the child. The girl who wants to be married to a particular boy gets the boy. The student who wants to go abroad gets his admission into the best university. All that happens because Drishimatam Akhilarthalabham, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. All the 4 Purusharthas you get. Twayi Achyuta. I'm feeling shy, Swami. Unabashed woman, that I'm proposing to you, but you are Achyuta. Everybody else lets you down sometime or the other in the world. The best husband says, darling, will you leave me alone? Gnashing his teeth. The best wife says, will you please stop talking? I can't bear this chatting with you. The children, they bolt the door nowadays. They don't want us at all. Lord never has a don't disturb sign, my listeners. Never, no. 24/7 you can call him. Many of us say, I put my phone on silent mode, you and your silence. Because you don't want to talk to people. But he wants us. That is why she says, Achyuta. He who holds your hand and never lets it go, that is Achyuta. In the Mahabharata, Mother Draupadi calls him Dwaraka Nilaya Achyuta. Where are you, Krishna? Where are you? In the second shloka, she is saying, Katva mukunda mahati kulashila rupa vidyavayo dravina dhamaviratmatulyam dhirapatim kulavatina vrinita kanya kale nrsimha naraloka manobhiramam. Who will not love you, Master? You've got all the qualifications of a bachelor, eligible bachelor. You've got Vidya, Kula, Sheela, Rupa, and you've got the best Dhamma. Who else? Who will not love you and fall for you, Master? Come, Narsimha, come. If Narsimha had delayed by 10 seconds, Prahlada's head would have been cut off. He's the most punctual incarnation. That's why she says, come, Krishna, come and take me away. In the third shloka, she says, I belong to you. I am the Havish. I am the sacrificial offering. Let not the jackal take away what is due to the lion. Tanme bhavan khaluvrta patirangajayam atmarpitascha bhavatotra vibho videhi ma veera bhagam abhimarshatu chaidya arat gomayuvat pragapater balimambujaksha. Have I not told you? Children are very modern nowadays. One girl comes to me and says, Amma, please bless my fiancé. I said, where is he? In the laptop. And what do? Ask her to open the laptop. Sarva Mangala Mangalni Shive Sarvartha Sadik Sharanye Trembike Gauri Narayani Namostute. He is in US. How can I go there and bless him when I'm sitting in Madras? But this is how it is. Long distance, remote blessing, remote blessing. The Bhagavata says she has not seen him, but she has heard about him. Have you done anything? If I have served elders, if I have sacrificed something, if I've led a pure life and a life of sacrifice and selfless service, and if you're pleased, Madhava, Govinda, come and take me away. Next shloka she says, I've got suggestions for you. This is the impertinence of human beings. I hope you understand. Sometimes we sit for puja and give Lord suggestions. I've got this business deal in Hong Kong. Kindly finish it, Master. Tirupati Balaji, if not Hong Kong, Singapore is the next best. The Lord says, stop. I know which is the best deal. Because you are looking at it from your point. Mine is the vantage point of Tirumala. I will give you the best deal. This is where we go wrong. Ask him to do what is best for you. That is the highest. You start asking, doesn't matter. All of us start. I told you, when we are 4, we ask for chocolate biscuit. 40, we ask for gold biscuit. Doesn't matter. We have to ask. Whom else to ask? He's the only giver. Only giver. All others are beggars. Why should I beg of a beggar? All of us are begging of beggars. Ask him directly. Srivatsavaksha, Srivasa, Sripati, Srivatambara, Sridas, Srisas, Srinivasa, Srinidhi, Srivibhavana, Sridhara, Srikara, Shreya, Shrivan, Lokatraya, Shreya. From unknown quarters you will get help. Because the Lord is working through unknown channels. That is how it happens. She is suggesting to the Lord, please come and fight with all my security guards and carry me away. Dongreji Maharaj, Gujarati exponent of the Bhagavatam, has said that there are 3 types of wedding in the Rukmini Vivaha. One is the Vedic wedding, the other is the Rakshasa wedding, the third is the Gandharva wedding. Gandharva wedding is when Krishna has not seen Rukmini, Rukmini has not seen Krishna, they have heard about each other and fallen for each other. Rakshasa wedding is perforce taking her away. If I stop with the perforce taking away, then children will say, Amma is very good. She said in the SVBC channel that if you want to marry, kidnap the girl. I never said anything like that. They are recording it. Please remember. They are recording. How do they record? Achara Prabhu Dharmo Dharmasya Prabhu Rachyuta. Whether it is Rama or Krishna, Vedic wedding has to take place. A Vedic wedding has to take place. That is our respect for the Vedas, the mantras, the sacrificial fire for our parents, for the Nandi Devatas, for everyone to be a witness to our wedding. The Bhagavata says, come and fight with everyone and take me away. You don't want to fight? There is one way out. Dikshidhar Maharaj had his own joke, vernacular joke. He says, in all our families, the husband has a sister, sister? Very important person. Very, very important. So if you want to have happy married life, please go on giving gifts to her. And I tell my audience, even if the children break everything, they say how sweetly they break. Otherwise, she'll make your life miserable. You know what the sister can do to her brother. And who is the sister of the Lord? Yogamaya. We go to Durga temple, Swami, and we bow down to her. There the security is not tight. Come and take me away. Antapurantaracharim anihatya bandhun tvam utvahe katamiti pravadam yupayam purvedyurasti mahati kuladevi yatra yasyam bahirnavavadu girijam upeyat. 6 shlokas are over. The 7th shloka, she's not coming. I apply, you reject. Point, counterpoint, Swami. Listen to me, Krishna. I will take 100 births, but I will belong only to you, my Lord, only to you. Sobar janam lenge, satadanma bhisyat. It does not matter for me how many times I am born, but I have to attain your feet. Yasyangri pankajara napanam mahantu vanchanti umapatiriva atmatamo. Even people like Shiva are waiting for the dust of your feet. Yerhi ambujaksha. The Lord has got lotus petal eyes. If you're not coming, nab labheya bhavat prasadam jakhyamasun vrtakrishan shatajanma bhisyat. I will perform penance, become emaciated and die, but I'll belong to you. The Lord says, quick, 6 o'clock now. Get into the chariot. Let's go. And he brings overnight he brings the Brahmin back to Vidarbha. The public hears the tinkling of the bells round the neck of the Lord's horses. It has got its own. When you come back home, your mother knows that you are driving the car from the horn. Every mother knows that the son has returned. That is how the public knows Krishna's horses. They have come, the way they gallop. And mother is worried. Krishna, she doesn't know Krishna has come. She's asking the Brahmin, what is the jawab? He says, Janardhan is the jawab. I brought the Lord himself. She bows down to him. The public now conduct an election without the election commissioner's permission. And what is the election? We don't want Shishupala. We want Krishna. So they want to switch bridegrooms. Last minute, they say, if we have done any punya, let Krishna marry Rukmini. Next day, my mother is dressed up beautifully and she is coming for the puja of Devi. And as she comes to Mother Durga's temple, she bows down and says, Namaste Twambike Abhikshnam Swasantana Yutam Shivam Bhuyat Patirme Bhagavan Krishnastad Adumuatam. Mother, please come with Subramanya and Ganapati. Please come with Shiva and bless me. I want you to help me marry my Lord Shri Krishna. Bows down and comes. On the day of the wedding, the girl looks so beautiful that the father is asking the mother, you sure she is our daughter? Oh, how different she looks. That day she looks like Devi. You can imagine how Devi must have looked. Tam deva mayamiva viramohini. How can my insufficient vocabulary translate the original? Tam deva mayamiva viramohini सुमध्यमां कुण्डलमण्डिताननां श्यामां नितर्बार्पितरत्नमेखलां व्यञ्जत्तनीं कुन्तलशङ्किते क्षणां शुचिस्मितां बिम्बफलाधरद्युति शोणायमानद्विजकुन्दकुट्मलां. She's got bud-like teeth which put jasmine buds to shame. What a comparison, no? That is how she is. And she's got a buxom figure and a slender waist as she goes walking. Dachalantim, she's like a swan. Kalaham sagaminim, shinjat kala nupuradhama shobhina. How did you like the Sanskrit? How can you call it a dead language? You can see mother, the video of Mother Rukmini walking towards the Lord. And as the bride walks, I think on the day of the wedding, the bride has a different gait. Nobody teaches her how to walk. She becomes gentle. She becomes beautiful. She becomes elegant. She is like a princess. And as she is walking, everybody who sees her faints. Except who? The outstanding one who is standing out. There she saw him. Praptan hirekshatan rupan dadrishe achyutam sa. She saw the same Achyuta. The Lord holds her by the hand and then puts her on his chariot. Ratham samarupya tamraja kanyam rathamaru rukshatim jahara krishno dvishatam sabikshatam ratham samarupya suparna lakshanam rajanya chakram paribhuya madhavaham. First time Balramji is interfering. Balramji says, I will look after the battle, you will look after the maiden. And that is how on the highway he has a duel with Rukmi. The Lord throws him down and is about to kill him. When Mother Rukmini says, no, please don't do that, Swami, please don't do that. He is my brother. Don't kill him, don't kill him. Yogeshwara prameyatman devadeva jagatpate hantum narhasi kalyana brataram me mahabhuja. You have all the qualifications of a great warrior, but he is my brother, forgive him. Dikshitar Maharaj had his own private joke, vernacular joke. If your brother-in-law dies today, Panditji will say no wedding for 14 days. Naturally, no, you can't marry soon after your Salaji is dead. No? At least you should pretend to mourn his death. Do you want the wedding today or after 14 days? She's asking. No, Krishna says, I will leave him, let him go, insults him and go away. The history doesn't stop here. The Lord brings Mother Rukmini home. Today our children are very modern. So modern, disgustingly modern, that they print their own wedding cards. I invite you for my wedding. So I say, please write best compliments of parents. Somewhere they should know to whom you were born. Sad. How can children be so brash? How can they be so brash? You should read the Gotra Varnana in the Ramayana. 2 big chapters. In whose family Rama was born, in whose family Sita is born. Lovely to hear it. Lovely to hear it. Here is the Lord bringing Mother Rukmini into Dwaraka. Bhagavan Bhishmakasutan, please clap. Evam nirjitya bhumipan puramaniya vidivat upayeme kurutvaha dwarakayam abhutrajan mahamoda puravkasam rukminya ramayopetam drishtva krishnam sriyapatim drishtva krishnam sriyapatim. My Lord and Rukmini make the most beautiful pair in the world on this happy, auspicious occasion. All my brothers and sisters who are happily married, may you live happily like Rukmini and Shri Krishna. This is my prayer to Lord Venkateshwara.